Hi guys, I am Aishwarya and today we are going to answer your questions. मुझे पता है एज एन एक्टर हम लोगों के दिमाग में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं और आज हमारे साथ वी हैव दिस one of the creative brains behind the casting. Okay, I shall list some of his projects which are my favorite, which would be Secret Superstar, which would be Mirzapur, which would be Kanpuriya, which would be this year's biggest bomb, Chintu ka birthday. So please welcome Yash Nagarkoti. Hi Yash, how are you doing?
Hi Ashwarya, how are you?
I am doing great. I hope you are home and you're working from home.
Yeah, I'm with my family. I'm in Haridwar, so hopefully, the lockdown has been good up till now.
That's great. So your native is Haridwar. So
I'm basically born and brought up in Ghaziabad near Delhi, but
Okay.
entire schooling and everything has happened over there. But since the last two and a half years, we've been my family has been living in Haridwar because my mom is a school principal, so her school got transferred in Haridwar.
ओह वाओ, तो इसका मतलब ये होगा कि घर पे पूरा एजुकेशनल एटमॉस्फेयर होगा, राइट?
Yeah.
So how did you had this, realization, like hyper realization, I want to be a casting director?
Yeah, it happened way back. That was like late 90s जब मैं छोटा सा बच्चा था, नया नया स्कूल जाना शुरू किया था. So the thing was that, as I told you, my mother used to work in my school. And whenever कोई भी ऐसा कुछ स्कूल प्ले होता था जिसमें बड़े बच्चे थे, and when they wanted some child actor, कुछ ऐसा छोटा प्ले करने के लिए, छोटा पार्ट करने के लिए, so my mother always used to stay late. और कोई बच्चा रहता नहीं था, तो वो एक इवेंचुअली हमेशा ऐसा हो गया था कि जो भी प्लेज होते थे तो मेरे को हमेशा वो एक्टिंग का एक जॉब मिल जाता था. सो इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर व्हेन आई वाज लाइक इन फर्स्ट और सेकंड, एंड फ्रॉम देयर ऑन आई बीन डूइंग थिएटर कंटिन्यूसली इन माई स्कूल. तो वहाँ से ही एक फैसिनेशन था कि हाँ, मतलब इतना अच्छे से आप बचपन से कर रहे हो तो बड़े होके ऑब्वियसली कुछ ऐसा ही करना है. तो कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर बनने का नहीं था, आई वाज जस्ट जगलिंग थिंग्स, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, एंड इवेंचुअली एवरीथिंग फेल इनटू प्लेस एंड आई बिकेम अ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर बाय एक्सीडेंट. बट आई देन enjoyed working in casting so much that it's been about 3.5-4 years now, and I think there's still a lot to explore in casting. Yeah.
यश, it's been only 3 or 4 years as you were telling us, but इतने कम समय में आपने इतने सारे अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स किए. सो आई वुड पर्सनली वांट टू नो दैट व्हाट वाज दैट इंस्पिरेशन दैट इतने कम टाइम में आपने इतने अच्छे अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स कर लिए. हाउ डिड यू डू दैट? लाइक you were first into acting, as you told that you were a child actor, and is it
Yeah.
was that you started doing acting and then you got into casting director, or you were into direction and then you got into casting director? We would like to know about that journey in like a short brief.
So this thing always, like, I was always into performing arts, may it be dance. When I was in 10th or 11th, I did the choreography of a field show in my school. So there were about 1100 to 1200 kids who were a part of that, and we choreographed the entire song, entire dance sequence, and then we actually trained each and every kid. So there were 3 or 4 more people with me. So from there only, like, my inclination was always towards performing arts. And when I was in the 11th then, so we directed and directed 2 short films. So one of them actually went to the BAFTA Awards in London, and it was nominated. It was nominated in a Faith Shots Tony Blair Faith Foundation competition over there. So so we tried doing different stuff. I acted in one of them, I directed the other one. So ऐसा कुछ फिक्स नहीं था कि यार हमेशा एक्टिंग करनी है या कास्टिंग करनी है या डायरेक्शन करना है. इट वाज लाइक कि पढ़ाई है, पढ़ाई में आप यू एंजॉय स्टडीज़, बट बचपन से ही थोड़ा परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स और स्पोर्ट्स की तरफ ज़्यादा इंक्लिनेशन था. आई यूज्ड टू बी अ वेरी गुड क्रिकेटर, लेफ्ट हैंड ओपनिंग बैट्समैन, राइट आर्म ऑफ स्पिन बॉलर. तो वो भी एक साइड में बहुत टाइम तक मैंने परस्यू किया क्रिकेट. फिर 11th में आने के बाद थोड़ा सा ऐसा बैलेंस हुआ कि नहीं, अभी थोड़ा पढ़ाई को और थोड़ा थिएटर को ज़्यादा एक वो करते हैं. क्रिकेट का आई डोंट नो, मतलब वो अंदर से कॉलिंग नहीं बनी एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम के बाद. सो देन ये शॉर्ट फिल्म्स बनाई. फिर कॉलेज शुरू हो गया था, तो कॉलेज में काफ़ी थिएटर किया, एंड देन कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट किया CA करने के लिए. तो वहाँ से एक और अलग जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई. फिर 3-4 साल तक कोई कुछ नहीं करता था, मैं सिर्फ पढ़ाई करता था, क्योंकि CA इज़ दैट काइंड ऑफ अ कोर्स जहाँ पे आप अगर पढ़ते नहीं हो तो बहुत टफ हो जाता है. सो एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम के बाद मैंने इंटरमीडिएट अपना फर्स्ट लेवल में क्लियर किया. उससे पहले जो CPT होता है वो फर्स्ट लेवल में क्लियर किया, जिसको काफ़ी लोगों को टाइम लग जाता है. तो एक पढ़ाई के लिए इंक्लिनेशन था, बट वो एक टाइम के बाद ख़त्म हो गया था. फिर जब फिल्म्स देखा करता था तो उसमें इतना मन करता था कि लगता था कि नहीं यार, दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई रियली शुड परस्यू बिकॉज आई थिंक आई एम गुड एट दैट. सो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर मेरे 12th के बोर्ड्स थे, उससे मैथ्स के एग्ज़ाम से एक दिन पहले मैं जॉली LLB देखने चला गया था, जस्ट बिकॉज कि मेरे को एक अच्छा मूड में रहना था. तो मैं एग्ज़ाम के एक दिन पहले मैं जॉली LLB देख के आया. नेक्स्ट दिन मैंने एग्ज़ाम लिखा, बहुत अच्छा गया, मैं 93-94% आए थे 12th में. बट दैट वॉज ऑलवेज अ थिंग दैट थिएटर और फिल्म्स इतने क्लोज थे मेरे कि उन्होंने हमेशा मेरे को मोटिवेट किया. जैसे मैंने बोला, वो फिल्म देख के मेरे को मोटिवेशन मिला एंड द नेक्स्ट डे आई परफॉर्म देयर. सो दिस हैज़ बीन ड्राइविंग फैक्टर इन माई लाइफ कि जब भी मेरे को लो फील हो रहा होता है एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, हमेशा कोई ना कोई ऐसी फिल्म आ जाती है या कुछ ऐसा आ जाता है जिससे मैं वापस से आई गेट ऑन ट्रैक. लाइक नाउ फॉर द लास्ट 1.5 months it has been a little bit low for me. Like I've been feeling very low, the kind of situation that's there in the entire world. So अभी एक फिल्म आई प्यारी सी, चिंटू का बर्थडे. तो मैंने उस पर काम किया था तो मेरे को स्टोरी पता थी, पर वही मैंने वापस पूरी फैमिली के साथ देखी. तो वो देख के इतना होपफुल और इतना एक अच्छा फील हुआ कि आई थॉट कि यार लेट्स नॉट लूज होप एंड लेट्स ट्राई इवन मोर. सो या ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो फिल्म्स ने हमेशा इंस्पायर किया है, तो हमेशा था. एंड देन व्हेन आई केम टू बॉम्बे आई स्टार्टेड असिस्टिंग. कास्टिंग सबसे पहले स्टार्ट हुआ, कास्टिंग में जॉब मिल गया था, तो वहाँ से देन फिर यहाँ तक का एक जर्नी रहा है पिछले 3-3.5 साल का.
एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. यश, आई रियली वांट टू टेल यू कि ये पीरियड जो है लॉकडाउन का, इट हैज़ बीन रियली रफ ऑन एवरी वन ऑफ अस एक्चुअली, and especially people like who we belong to this artistic world, and you know we have this zest to go out and work and do continue. हम लोग शुरू रहते हैं. So of course it has been very rough for every one of us, but you know what, listening to everything this, I have got inspired, and I'm damn sure that our viewers also are going to be very inspired because of this amazing journey you had. एंड येस, आई वोंट टेक मच ऑफ योर टाइम. तो हम लोग फटाफट अब क्वेश्चंस की तरफ जाते हैं जो हमारे सारे एक्टर्स को हमेशा एक दिमाग में रहता है कि यार ये कैसे, वो कैसे, वो कैसे. तो यश, आई वांट टू नो दैट व्हेन यू गाइज आर कास्टिंग, सो लाइक व्हाट इज़ द प्रोसेस एक्चुअली when you take a project and you start casting for that same project? What is the process of a casting director?
So I basically mostly work on ad films and I work on feature films as well as web shows. So तीनों का format थोड़ा अलग रहता है, but the entire process is the same. Ad films में basically we get a shorter duration to cast. हमारे पास 3-4 दिन में होते हैं, and during that we have to cast the entire जितने भी 10, 15, 20 कैरेक्टर्स हैं एक ad films में. Films में comparatively we get 2 months, 3 months, sometimes 5-6 months depending upon the characters and how the prep is. But the process is like, we first of all we get the script, we go through the script, and एक अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, वी मेक अंडरस्टैंडिंग रिगार्डिंग द प्राइमरी कैरेक्टर्स की. अच्छा, ये कैरेक्टर राइटर ऐसा सोच रहा होगा, बाकी के कैरेक्टर्स ऐसा सोच रहे होंगे, एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट वी थिंक. देन वी मीट द डायरेक्टर, वी put forward our points, we get to know what he thinks of the script that he's written, especially in script in general as well as particular character wise also, how he is looking into things. And then when we tell our like we come on the same path, like we come on the same page, and then once that is done up, then उसके बाद तो process बहुत simple होता है. Then we just have to source actors, call them for auditions, do their auditions, show it to the director, एंड मोस्टली उसमें प्रोसेस में सारा कास्टिंग हो जाता है. बहुत बार होता है कि हम लेके जाते हैं, डायरेक्टर ने कुछ और सोचा होता है, तो वो बोलता है नहीं इस पे और काम करके लाओ. तो देन वी कम बैक, वी सोर्स अगेन, वी डू मोर ऑडिशंस, देन शो इट टू हिम. देन ऑल्सो समटाइम्स मतलब वो 3-4 राउंड ऐसे चले जाते हैं हर कैरेक्टर को लेके, एंड फाइनली आफ्टर 3rd और 4th राउंड वी फाइनली गेट लाइक सम वॉट कि हाँ ये एक्टर should do this part. A lot of times it happens that the first actor that we audition, the first actor that comes to our mind is the actor who gets a part, क्योंकि वो बहुत intuitive भी होता है the way the casting works. Every person has their own different way to cast. ऐसा कोई format नहीं है, especially because the other technical aspects of filmmaking, may it be editing, or may it be uh, the work that the DOPs they do. So it's still, there's a lot of technical things involved. With casting, it's just your imagination, how well, how profound, and whatever, like how different can you think. So yeah, there's no particular thing as such. So it depends upon project to project, director to director, producer to producer. But yeah, generally this is what we go through.
ओके एंड यश बिफोर कमिंग टू द कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर, जब एक एक्टर अप्रोच करता है, सो डू यू थिंक इट इज़ स्टिल इम्पॉर्टेंट टू हैव दिस शो रील और अ पोर्टफोलियो, लाइक जिसमें पर्टिकुलरली यू हैव दिस लेफ्ट प्रोफाइल, राइट प्रोफाइल, मिड? इज इट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टिल? इट इज़ still important, or the process has changed when an actor approaches a casting director?
So the thing now these days is that the industry has also changed. A lot of people are appreciating new talent, and the way things are these days is that if you're talented enough, you'll get work. Yeah, so there's no particular thing that you need to get a very good portfolio done, or spend 50,000 to a lakh to whatever amount on just wasting them on getting good portfolios, because your pictures won't get you parts in a feature film. It might help you in modeling, where you do ramp walks and photo shoots and things like that, but especially when it comes to casting and when it comes to films, it's just how good you act, how well you act, and how good you are on that day particularly. That is the thing that these days is very important. So your portfolios, your showreel is important. If you have a good showreel, that really helps, because we can gauge through what all experience you have in your field. So that is important. If you have a good showreel, a 6 to 7 minute showreel edited with different emotions, so that really helps, so that we can get to know, okay, this guy is good with comedy as well as he can do drama really well, so we can then put you in those parts. But apart from that, portfolios, I think the days are gone when actors they come with portfolios. These days introductions are the thing. So all the offices, wherever you go, wherever the actors go, there general introductions going on. So you go, you introduce yourself to the team, meet them, know about them, what all kind of projects they do, how they do those projects, how they meet new actors. Depends upon casting person to casting person. But yeah, with us, the thing is that you can come to our office anytime, meet our team, give an introduction in the morning before the general work starts, and we have an email ID as well, profiles@casting.in. So you can anytime send your pictures and a little bit about yourself, where you're from, what languages you speak, what other additional skills that you possess. And yeah, so this is kind of the way things are going these days.
So like, as you told me that the pictures won't help that much when it comes to acting, but the showreel is a must. So when an actor mails you her showreel, is it also important to drop down at your place and meet the casting person, meet the casting team, like one-on-one, talk to them, or keep meeting them with frequent intervals? It is important to just a reminder
So-
that.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the thing is that you can ask that particular person in general. If you've sent the profile, then for the next 6 months, it's okay if you even don't meet them, because for the next 6 months they'll at least have your profiles. That also depends upon, as I say, casting team to casting team. Many of them, they regularly check all the profiles. Some of them, they check when they have a particular character that they're looking for, and some of them, they don't even check. Yeah, so that depends upon the person to person. But I can just talk about myself. So for us, if you send us a profile, then for the next 6 months, it's okay if you don't send. So because in every 6 months, we also expect the actor to evolve, to do something new, to learn a new skill. So if you're not learning anything like a span of 6 months, then you're also going backwards. So it's important for an actor to keep learning and doing as much as they can, and then in every 6 months or 7 months can share their latest pictures and things like that with us. That works.
So Yash, I was asking you this, that even I have seen that some of my fellow co-actors, वो लोग फिर casting में चले जाते हैं, then they they'll get into a casting agency or under a casting director and they'll be a casting assistant, and फिर वो लोग जो actors जिस role के लिए जो auditions लेते हैं, after a certain time जब वो project on screen आता है, we see the same casting assistant doing the same role for which we have auditioned. So do you think now casting has become a way to get into acting and be on screen?
So the thing is that I always say that if you're an actor and if you're doing casting for some time, it will help you because you'll get to know how things function in an audition room, what happens at the back end of when you're giving auditions, how a director looks at a particular character while they're watching the auditions and things like that. So it's a learning process. So every actor should spend some time in casting and they should learn. Like it's either you go and do theater and then you learn, or even if you're doing casting, then also you're kind of, because in the audition room also you're playing a co-actor, so you're also acting along with the actor. And when you're acting, you get to know a lot of things, that how different people approach a single character, because you are the only person who is at the back end, but the actor keeps on changing every 15-20 minutes while they're auditioning. So you learn a lot. So if an actor is doing casting, there's nothing wrong in that, because as a casting director, I also need good actors to then give good cues, and giving cues as in responding to the actor who is performing, because that elevates the performance. Because it's not that an actor should act well only when they're on set. These days even the auditions matter a lot, and on the basis of that only they get a particular part. So the thing is that when you're auditioning and when you are getting a good cue, so it elevates your performance. So an actor, it's okay if an actor is doing casting, but the thing is that it's हर कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर के दिल साफ होना चाहिए कि यार अगर मैं एक पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टर की कास्टिंग कर रहा हूँ एंड इफ माय असिस्टेंट इज वेरी गुड, सो आई शुड ऑडिशन एंड देन फेयरली शो इट टू द डायरेक्टर एंड देन लीव इट टू द डायरेक्टर कि यार अभी डायरेक्टर को अगर जो भी अच्छा लगेगा इन 10 लोगों में से, इट्स हिज कॉल. बट द थिंग इज दैट इफ आई एम मतलब constantly pushing a particular person to get a part, then I think it's wrong. So that depends upon a casting director to a casting director कि उसके दिल के अंदर क्या एक intention है. But if the intention is correct and if an assistant is getting a part in the project, I don't think there's any problem with that.
One of the important question which जो बडिंग कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स हैं, एस्पायरिंग कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स हैं, या जो कास्टिंग में आना चाहते हैं, उन लोगों को कोई ऐसी प्रोसेस या कोई ऐसा पर्टिकुलर चीज़ जिसके थ्रू गुजरना पड़ेगा या जाना चाहिए फॉर बीइंग अ कास्टिंग पर्सन, लाइक फॉर अ कॉमन गर्ल और अ कॉमन बॉय, व्हाट डज इट टेक्स टू बी अ कास्टिंग पर्सन?
So the thing is that, as I told you earlier, there's no particular course in casting. So there's the film schools and other places you don't get to know how to do casting, and casting is comparatively a very instinctive thing, an instinctive job, though it's a very demanding job. You work really hard and then you kind of get to a particular perfect cast. But if you want to become a casting director, the only way is to learn on the job. So just find out, just make a list of the people who do casting these days, like who are actively working in the casting thing, and then just figure out who all are the, like, do the kind of work that you like to be a part of, and then just go, just meet the team, just meet the associate, approach them, just tell them that you want to work with them, and they'll take an interview or thing like that, and and just learn on the job. So it seldom it takes a year to 2 years to 3 years, depending upon your capacity and how you are taking in the things. But so casting is such a thing that you can only learn on the job. So once you're doing casting, then only I think you can learn and equip yourself better.
So Yash, the last but not the least question I want to ask you, how shall we get into touch with Yash for an audition?
It's very simple. We have our social media handles on all the social media like whatever the all the social media platforms. So you can reach us on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. We are there everywhere. Our email IDs are clearly mentioned. So if you are an actor and you want to get in touch with us, there's a separate email ID. If you want to get in touch with us for any other thing, there's a separate email ID. Then apart from that, our office address is mentioned on all the platforms. So if you're an actor, so we generally conduct introductions every morning around 11 to 12, between that. So you can come to our office. The address is 99 Aramnagar Part 2. And I don't know if it will be the same after the lockdown. But yeah, but we'll keep updating everything on our Instagram page. So you can follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, and then we'll keep you posted.
Fantastic. So we have like just bursted all the question balloons today. But before going, I want to ask you a personal question. Yash, I think if I'm not wrong, there is
Yeah.
a big hit coming on the way, which is Shakuntala Devi.
Yeah.
So how would you
Shakuntala
share
Devi
this
is-
experience?
We were really excited to see it in the theaters because it was officially our first feature film that was supposed to release in the theater. But due to the ongoing COVID, it will now be streaming on Amazon Prime soon. The release date is not out as of now, but we hopefully will get to see it very soon. And I'm very excited for that because the whole entire team has worked like the best on that. We auditioned actors from Delhi, from Punjab, from South, from Bombay itself, and from London as well, because the major part of the film is being shot in London. So the thing is that the actors, we've got some very good actors, especially child actors. I love discovering and finding out new good child actors. So yeah, that's we found some really good child actors, especially the kids who've played young Shakuntala, young Vidya Balan, or young Sanya Malhotra. And in fact, even the older ones, we've got some lovely actors who've worked on the film. Shakuntala Devi being played by Vidya ma'am, then the husband being played by Jishu Sen Gupta sir, who's done a terrific job, who's a very good actor, he's a superstar in the Bengal industry, and now he's making way into the Hindi films as well. So it was it was a great opportunity for us also to introduce him in such a important character in a proper Hindi feature film. And apart from that, there's Sanya Malhotra, who's a terrific actor. You've seen her work in Photograph, in Dangal, and in a lot of other projects, Badayo and all. She's terrific. Especially in her age group, she's one of the best actors that we have. And that is one thing that the director really was like, I want to work with Sanya on this one because she's a terrific actor, and the way the character is written and the way, like, it really demanded the best. So we've got the best, luckily. And then there's Amit Sath, who's again a terrific actor. I've been his fan since Kai Poche and then Breathe as well. So yeah, I'm really looking forward because I haven't seen any footage from the film. The way our work is that our work mostly finishes before the film goes on set, and after that also if there's something that we operate from our office only. So yeah, so that's a film that I'm really looking forward to these days, and yeah, can't wait for everyone to watch it.
You know, Vidya Balan ma'am is one of my favorite actresses, and I just cannot wait to see this film. And I'm so happy that you know, the way you have described us your journey, and you have done this.
Yeah.
I think this is
The
a larger than life
one more thing
project.
that I want to tell you about. One more thing I want to tell you about Shakuntala Devi is that my mother, as I told you, is a school teacher, and
Yes.
she basically teaches mathematics, and the film is based upon a
Oh.
mathematician. So when I was reading the script, I was fascinated that, oh wow, here comes a script which is based upon a teacher, not a teacher exactly, but a mathematician, and my mother is kind of involved in the same field. So it was very important for me to then get this project a very good cast. So yeah, I worked a little bit extra because there was some personal attachment as well to the project. And yeah, always had a dream to work with Vidya Balan ma'am from the day I saw Dirty Picture, because I really
Yeah.
admire her as an actor, and all the films that she's done after that, Maid Be a Tumhari Sullu or whatever else, she's been outstanding, and I hope that she's very good in Shakuntala Devi as well.
Of course, Yash. I had a fun session with you, and I got the answers of my question. I hope everyone did get their answers. And before going, I want to ask you: is there any what do you think? Anything in particular which you want to suggest to actors, or not just actors, but particularly every artist in our industry who wants to come or who is there but are slowly and steadily moving ahead, what is that one thing which you want to suggest, advise our artist?
So the most important thing for any person who is working in the creative field is being honest. So honesty is something that works for everyone. So if you're honest, if you give a very honest audition, and it'll we can see it then, and it always works if you're honest to the craft, if you're honest to your acting, if you're honest to anything that you do. For me it's casting, for an actor it's obviously acting. So if you're honest to that, if you don't take shortcuts, if you work hard, I think there's no way that you won't achieve whatever you have set out to achieve. Yeah.
Wow, wonderfully answered. And again, thank
And
you
honesty
so
in
much.
terms of the performance as well. When you get the script, when you're in the audition room, if you give a very honest audition, it always works. Like if you're honest to the character, if you're honest to yourself, because we also then, whenever an actor gives a performance, it is kind of what his interpretation of the character is. So it's a lot of himself playing that particular character. So if you're honest to yourself and if you're honest to the character, it will always work.
Brilliantly answered, Yash. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with us today. And you don't have any idea कितने लोगों के questions आज solve हुए हैं. So thank you so much. And I hope to see you soon. And I wish you all the best. कि आगे future भी you keep doing such larger than life projects. And all the best again for Shakuntala Devi. And just take care. Lots of love to you and see you
My
soon,
pleasure.
Yash.
Thank you so much for having me on board. Really enjoyed talking to you on this one. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So guys, I hope we have answered all your frequently asked questions. Any other question or suggestion, go down to the comment box and let us know. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Me, Aishwarya, would be meeting you soon with another creative brain. Until then, wear your mask, wash your hands. Take care.